In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import and export Photoshop presets step by step. Whether you're working with brushes, gradients, patterns, styles, or actions, knowing how to properly manage presets can save you a huge amount of time and keep your workflow organized. If you download presets from other creators or want to back up your own custom tools, this is an essential skill every Photoshop user should know. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, let's talk about how to import Photoshop presets. This is the most common task, especially if you've downloaded a preset file from the internet or received one from another designer. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Once Photoshop is open, go to the top menu and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, hover over Presets and then choose Preset Manager. This will open the Preset Manager window where you can control different types of presets. At the top of the Preset Manager, you'll see a drop-down labeled Preset Type. Click on that drop-down and choose the type of preset you want to import. For example, if you're importing brushes, select Brushes. If you're importing gradients, choose Gradients. You can also select patterns, styles, or actions depending on the file you have. It's very important that you match the preset type with the file you're importing. For example, brush files usually end in .abr, gradients in .grd, patterns in .pat, styles in .asl, and actions in .atn. Once you've selected the correct preset type, click the Load button on the right side of the window. A file browser will open. Navigate to the folder on your computer where the preset file is saved. Select the file, then click Load again. As soon as you do this, the preset will appear inside the Preset Manager list. That means it has been successfully imported and is now available inside Photoshop. If you imported brushes, you can confirm by selecting the Brush tool and opening the Brush panel to see your new brushes. If you imported actions, open the Actions panel to see them listed there. The same applies to gradients, patterns, and styles. That's it for importing presets. It's quick, simple, and only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. Now let's move on to exporting Photoshop presets. This is especially useful if you've created your own custom brushes or settings and want to back them up or share them with someone else. Again, start by going to Edit in the top menu, then Presets, and click on Preset Manager. Just like before, choose the preset type that you want to export. For example, select Brushes if you want to export custom brushes. Once the presets appear in the list, you can select the specific ones you want to export. On Windows, hold down the Control key and click on each preset you want to include. On Mac, you would use the Command key instead. This allows you to select multiple presets at the same time. After selecting your presets, click the Save Set button. A new window will open asking you where you want to save the file. Choose a folder on your computer, give the preset file a name, and then click Save. Photoshop will export the presets in their native file format, such as .abr for brushes. You can now store this file as a backup or share it with others. And that's it! You now know how to import and export Photoshop presets quickly and efficiently. This is a simple but powerful way to manage your creative tools and protect your custom work. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.